Welcome to my channel and my first video. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dane. I have been a software and site reliability engineer for nearly 30 years. I have spent the last 20 practicing both lean manufacturing and agile development principles. Recently, I have been building my DevSecOps, AI, and cloud engineering understanding. This is my first attempt to create an educational video, and decided to record the process to get me started. For the most part, this channel will focus on programming and process-related educational videos. Let's get started. When starting a project you are not sure how to accomplish, it's important to remember that you will learn as you go. Often, if you break a goal down into tasks needed to reach it, a lot of the uncertainty can be removed. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are the way we learn. Remember the first time you burned yourself on a hot surface? After that, you knew better. Getting started is really the hardest part. We can simplify and take a lot of the fear out of getting started by making a clear, concise, and measurable goal statement. Once you have created your basic goal statement, you may need to clarify some of it. Take the time now to answer those questions before beginning to perform any tasks. In my case, I used released first online learning video as my goal statement. Then I did some research and answered the questions: how do you make a video and what will it be about? Now that you know roughly what you are creating from a value perspective and have a basic understanding of what you need to do to reach your goal, it's time to begin building. At this point, if you know how to reach your goal, then what are you doing here? This is for people who don't. Just kidding. All right, so start by breaking down the goal into a set of 3 to 4 tasks. Not too many. As part of the process, you will expand these steps further as needed, so don't worry about catching every single step. From here, you're going to treat each step as a separate goal and perform the initial steps repeatedly until you can complete each goal. Work in order, starting with your first step and following through. Don't worry about problems initial steps might create in your resulting actions. That's where the mistakes come in. That's where adaptability becomes important. You'll work it out. If you're following this process properly, you will fail at least once. In the agile world, we want these early prototypes to fail. You want these prototypes to fail because you learn from each failure. So one of our mottos is fail fast and fail often. This will maximize your learning and therefore your performance. Hopefully, I have given you a process that will allow you to get started working on that project you just haven't gotten started on yet. I know you can do it. Good luck. Please like, subscribe, and comment with any feedback. I will see you in the next video.